Hey Chalk Nation, it's your girl Chalk and I am back with another video. And in this video, I am going to be applying these handmade nails from Temu. So let's get into it. I know y'all like, dang, she just been cranking videos out of nowhere. That's because I am trying to get on a good video schedule. Let me take my glasses off so y'all can see my face, okay? I'm trying to get on a good video schedule and really crank these videos out for y'all because I have so much stuff that I want to show y'all and we got to get it out there. So especially for December, I'm gonna try to do Vlogmas, which is majority gonna be on shorts, but I'm at least try to get maybe 8 long form videos out for y'all in December. So make sure y'all stay tuned to the channel, and if you're tuning in right now and it's your first time here, welcome to the Chalk Nation. And you might as well just go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when all the videos are gonna be dropping. Before we get into the nails, I just gotta say, yes, hair. Yes, hair. Like, I've been rocking these Brazilian curly clip-ins that I made, y'all. I done did another hairstyle, so I did a little half up, half down ponytail, and it's giving, okay? These bundles are from Temu. If you missed my last few videos, I'm rocking this hair, and I think I'm gonna just rock it and ride it until the wheels fall off because curly hair just does it for me. And speaking of hair, I'm going to get back into doing the hair tutorials on my channel as well. I know I've been doing the nails and reviews and tutorials, but baby, I got some hair coming in, and of course I got to show y'all and put y'all up on game and show y'all how to style it. So just be on the lookout for those hair videos as well as the nail videos. But with all of that being said, today's video, I am doing a tutorial / review on these handmade press-on nails that I got from Temu. I got them in one of my recent Temu haul videos. So if you guys missed my last couple Temu haul videos, make sure you guys go check them out. I got some real cool stuff in them. But today we are going to put these on. So let's get into it. So I know you guys saw these nails in a recent Temu haul that I did a few days back. These are their handmade nails, which are more like gel nails, and I believe some of them are acrylic as well, but they come with 10 nails and you have to order them by your size. I got a size large because I mean it's better for the nails to be a little on the larger side and you can just shape them if you needed to, rather than getting a small size and then they're too small and there's nothing you can do with them. They do come with instructions on how to apply them and how to remove them. They also come with a cuticle pusher and a nail file. And now we're gonna get into the nail prep. So I'm just using a nail clipper to clip down my natural nails because they did grow out a little bit long, and since the nails I'm applying are short, I do want my natural nails to be shorter than the nails that I'm applying. So you don't want to clip them down to a nub, but you do want them to be shorter than the nails that you are applying. So first things first, I am going to take the cuticle pusher that came with the nails and push back my cuticles. This helps your nails to last long as well, because when you get rid of that crust and extra skin debris from around your cuticle area, it does help your nails stay on longer. Of course, that also goes with how you apply them, but this is step 1 of how to make your nails last long. Step 2 is to file down the first shiny layer from the top of your natural nails. You want to always apply your press-on nails with a roughened surface versus a smooth, oily surface. If you apply them on a smooth, oily surface, your nails are not going to last long. But if you roughen up that surface and remove that oil from the top layer of your natural nails, when you apply that glue, your nails are going to stick really well. So this is definitely an important part of applying your nails, and this is how they look after I've done that. And I'm just spraying them down with some alcohol and acetone mixture to further dehydrate the nails, but you can also use an alcohol prep pad, and if you prefer to use a nail dehydrator, you could do that as well, but the alcohol and acetone works fine for me. I did apply the nails onto my right hand first because I am right-handed. So imagine having nails on your non-dominant hand, trying to put some nails on your right hand. It's going to be a lot harder. So before I put nails on my left hand, I always do my right hand first. So that's number 3 of how to apply your nails and get them to last good. Always take your time with your non-dominant hand. And I'm just sizing the nails just so you guys can see that they do completely cover my nail beds from sidewall to sidewall. So picking a size large was good. I am applying them with some brush on nail glue, which is also from Temu. So yeah, Temu got everything you need basically. And these handmade nails are so durable, a lot more durable than your regular standard press-on nails. So they are not going to chip easily like your other standard nails will. I can tell that they have a nice clear gel top coat over them, and it looks like they're gel nails, and then some of them I believe are acrylic nails too. So of course they're a little bit more expensive than your standard nails, but this is the reason why, because they're not just plastic. They actually do apply the gel over the nails, and they do hand paint them. They hand put on the rhinestones and everything. So yeah, that's what gives the nails that 3D effect and gives that salon quality look and finish. You don't have to do anything to these nails, and they're just ready for you to apply. And I just applied them, simple as that. If you pick the correct nail size for your fingers, you literally just have to take the nails out of the pack, have you some glue, and put them on. You don't even have to do anything extra to these nails, which is what I love. In my honest opinion, I love the nails. They are just too short for me, but they are so cute, and it's good to switch it up from time to time and try different nail lengths and see what you like, what you don't like. And these are pretty short, but they are so cute. I love the nails. Shout out to Temu for sponsoring this video, and the nails are linked in the description of this video, as well as the glue that I used and the cuticle oil that I used is all from Temu. So make sure you guys click the Temu link in the description of this video and download the app, and make sure you use my referral code FAVE23582 to get you a $100 coupon bundle and save on your order. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.